Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in video animations to your videos on CapCut browser. So select your clip and go to animation, and for instance you want to add in like an sort of animation to your video. Where is shake? I don't think they have it here. Oh, here. Here it is. For instance, you want to add in like a shake one, and then also at the end you want to add another one. So you're just going to press split and then click on the second clip, go to animation, and then select out. And then for instance, you want to add in like a fade out. You can do that. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!